Lagos, Portugal is a dazzling coastal town where sun, sea, and adventure coincide in perfect harmony. Known for its breathtaking beaches and stunning rock formations, the nature here will blow you away. So in this video, we'll show you some of Lagos' best beaches, a delicious seafood restaurant with an incredible view, and an amazing boat tour that will make your visit to Lagos an unforgettable one. All in this episode of Lucas World Travel. After exploring Lisbon, Sintra, and Evora, we took the bus 4 hours south to Lagos. So it's our first full day in Lagos, and we're gonna go on a beach day. We're gonna walk around the coast and see all the different views from the coastline. So our first stop is Student Beach, and this place is gorgeous, you guys. It's only 7 minutes walking from town. We got such great weather today. It's 62, sunny, blue skies, so the water's super blue pretty. Great day for this. Oh, and just look at how beautiful that is. Oh, I'm in love. So as you walk along this very clear blue water, you get these beautiful keyholes and you can see through to the other side of the beach. I mean, how much more stunning do you get? Walking through the stone tunnel, you'll come out at another beautiful beach, which has an impressive Roman-style bridge as its highlight.
So the bridge above me is basically now an old Roman ruin. There used to be a castle on top of that rock, but when the rock gave way, the castle collapsed. The only thing remaining was that bridge, but that bridge now is private property, so no one's supposed to go there.
So I'm loving this beach. It's super unique here because you have this stone bridge right here, and you have all these beautiful keyholes. Now, I've been on a lot of beaches, but I've never been on a beach like this before. You gotta see Lagos, y'all. So now I'm gonna send David in to test how cold the water is. What's the report, David? The sand is cold, so oh shit. That wave got me too. It's cold. I'm like shivering. David took his shirt off. I think he's getting in for real this time. What a brave soul. He went much further than I thought he would go. Goodness. He just mouthed the words, "It burns."
Okay, it's super cold. I can't get used to it. I'm frozen already.
Well, aren't you glad I'm your towel rack and held your towel for you? So just so you know, March, the water is still too cold. Nonetheless, the view is gorgeous.
Nice.
But now let's walk through another tunnel to Batata Beach. Now, Batata Beach is the closest beach to town and has great views of the colorful lighthouses and the grottos both near and far. The coastline is also a lot more expansive with plenty of space to spread out here. It's a beautiful place to take a dip in that crystal blue water. So now we're on our way to Pinhao Beach. That's not ugly at all, is it? That's gorgeous. They won't let you climb down this way because the cliff is unstable. But there are some stairs and another lovely vista just a few meters down the road. Now, I would say I like Student Beach a bit better. It's a bit prettier. This one's more secluded. No amenities. It's nice though.
Each beach is different, just like in Thailand. Every time you go to one, you think you're expecting the same thing, and it's different. The rock formations are somewhat different. Gives you a different atmosphere.
So we're back on the road again. So the thing about the beaches here is that you can't just walk beach to beach to beach because they're separated by cliffs. So you have to walk back to the main road, down the road, and back down the hill to get to all the beaches. I still think it's worth it though. So next stop is Dona Ana Beach. So essentially, Lagos has no ugly beaches, so you can't go wrong no matter which beach you choose. So this side of Dona Ana Beach has a lot of seaweed, but as you can see, the view is banging. But the other side is seaweed free, so there's plenty of place to go swimming without the seaweed around. So we just got a tip from fellow Americans back there that said that we should climb up this little way to see another amazing view. So we're gonna do that. I'm just gonna wait to see if David survives, and then I might follow him. In a million years, I would have never climbed up here. Let's see what's on the other side of this little cave opening. So this part is very secluded. We have it all to ourselves. And you get to see a little archway. Kind of fishy like seaweed, but it's beautiful. Despite the seaweed, nothing makes us happier than exploring beautiful corners of the world. And honestly, I don't think we've ever seen a place more beautiful than Lagos. So now we're walking to our last beach stop of the day, Ponta de Piedade. It's about a 20-minute walk from Dona Ana. So, can't wait to see what this one's like. I hear this one is the best of the bunch. There's also Camilo Beach down that way. Camilo Beach has about 200 stairs going all the way up to these cliffs. It is this little narrow strip of water with such great views of the rock formations. It has a beautiful arch on the beach, very similar to Estudiantes Beach, Student Beach. And while Camilo Beach is absolutely gorgeous, don't think it's 200 stair gorgeous, so we're gonna pass. We're getting close because this is the most amount of cars and the most people we've seen so far. And that's how you know you're in a popular spot. A lot of cars, a lot of people. Here's the viewpoint, and it's just stunning over here. Now you can take the stairs all the way down too. And while this viewpoint is absolutely lovely, I am super curious to see what is down the stairs, so let's head there. So we're gonna take a boat ride. It's 20 euros a person, so we figured why not.
Last time I sang, the sun won't shine till we meet again. Be waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah. Stormy night, oh yeah. They found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other, girl, oh yeah. Baby, don't fight it.
We have a dog as our skipper. Oh, the dog's the captain. My bad. I'm sorry. Aren't you so glad we didn't kayak this?
Oh yeah, that was a bad
terrible
idea.
kayaking. We are in kind of winter season still, so that's why. So as soon as we went there, like the water went straight down. And it's like we were sinking, like it was a water elevator. It was so unique.
It seemed like the water got calm on this side.
This had to be one of the best boat tours we've ever taken. The views didn't seem to stop. Around every corner, there was another beautiful formation. Some looked like elephants, some looked like submarines. It was absolutely gorgeous. We couldn't stop smiling. Now that's not a bad view at all, Pokey folks. At every turn, I just keep saying, wow. Oh, wow. A heart-shaped, let me look at it this way. A heart-shaped opening there.
The earth is amazing. It's really something to see.
So this boat ride is worth every penny. Make sure not to skip this one. So thank you to Grotto Pioneers for a beautiful ride out on the water. Now back to climb up these stairs. A significant amount of stairs. Now we're by the lighthouse, right in front of the lighthouse, and we're just walking down the dirt trail to look at all the little viewpoints you can see from the land. And you can really see everything that we saw on the boat, just at a different angle. For dinner, we headed back towards Student Beach to Mar Restaurant, which has the most incredible sea view and delicious food. We got the sea bass, and it was one of the best meals we've had in a while. Now that fish was so delicious. That was one of the best dinners we've had in a while. So good that we had to order dessert as well, which we hardly ever do. So we really love the vibe in Lagos. It's so relaxing and chill here. So if you want a beach getaway with beautiful views, Lagos might be the place for you. Up next, we're heading to Seville, Spain. So make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and the bell so you can follow our journey throughout Europe and throughout the world. All right, world travelers, that's our journey, and good luck in planning yours. Want to see even more of Portugal? Watch our full Portugal playlist on the right there. As always, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for sharing with all your travel pals. And happy travel planning. Until next time.